This is the double crawler machine in the sandwich panel production line, ordered by the customer. The double crawler adjustment guide rails are surface hardened, with high hardness, good wear resistance, not easy to deform and long service life. The heating system heats the chain surface directly without damaging the rolling bearings. We are a professional manufacturer of sandwich panel equipment. More than 35 years of production experience. We will provide the most suitable solution according to your needs. If you need sandwich panel equipment, please feel free to contact us.